Welcome back, Foot Academy boys and girls, to another home learning activity. Today we're going to be making these football finger puppets so you can have fun practicing with at home. Go! The materials that we will be needing to make our finger puppets are cardboard, coins, marker pens or paints, paintbrushes, scissors, paper foil and regular paper. First step, using your marker pens, draw 2 circles using the coins as a template, side by side. Next we need to draw the shape of our football player around these circles. Attached to this video is the link to the template that you can follow. Once you've drawn the shorts, continue to draw the shirt and the arms that go with it. Finally, draw the head of your player. Now you can see that I've used very simple shapes for this template. The easier the shape, the easier it is to cut out. Now that you have the shape of your finger puppet drawn out, continue to cut it out from the cardboard. Once you've cut the shape out from the cardboard, we now need to cut these circles out because this is where our fingers are going to go that create the legs of the players. Now this stage can be quite hard to remove these circles, so ask for your parents' help. A technique that I like to use is first pierce the hole using the scissors so it's big enough for you to start cutting around. Once the circles have been cut out, the finger puppet is ready to be worn. But we're not done there. To make it look like the one that I made earlier, it's time to get creative. Using marker pens or paints, colour it in however you would like to. As you can see, this finger puppet was coloured in the style of our Foot Academy uniforms. Now we're going to make his opponent. So I'm going to do him in green and red. So we've got our football finger puppets, but no ball to play with. How about using this aluminium paper, roll up a little sheet, and you'll get a ball just like this. So we've got the ball, but how about a goal to shoot in? For this stage, all we need is a single piece of A4 paper. So with your single piece of A4 paper, fold it in half. Next, fold each corner in like so. Once all 4 corners have been folded inwards, take the 2 big triangles on the side and fold them over each other. This creates the side of the goals and allows for it to stand up on its own. So there you go. You've got your football finger puppets, your miniature football and the 2 goals to score in. Please remember to share your football finger puppets with us.